What if I told you this banana slice can grow into a fruiting plant? Right here in my room? No garden, no nursery. Just this, aloe vera, and one kitchen ingredient you already own. Step 1. Take a ripe banana and cut it straight in half. We're not eating this one. This cut end is about to become the root of our next plant. Keep that fresh side facing up. Now the secret weapon, aloe vera gel. Scoop it fresh, right from the leaf, and coat the cut surface completely. This protects it from rotting and actually speeds up root formation. Don't skip this part. Next, grab your basket. Any basket with drainage works. Dig a shallow hole. Place the banana in cut side down and cover it gently with soil until only the top peeks out. Here's the growth hack. Mix 1 small spoon of baking soda into a glass of water and water the soil with it. This helps balance the soil pH and pushes the plant to grow noticeably faster. Look at this. A little green sprout has broken through the soil. That aloe vera and baking soda combo is already working its magic. Now that it's germinated, we repeat the same baking soda watering, once every few days, never daily. This keeps feeding the roots and encourages the plant to grow taller and stronger, faster than normal soil alone. Day by day, this little basket on my table is turning into a real banana plant. Same spot, same light, same routine, just aloe vera and baking soda doing all the work. If you want fruit down the line, keep this routine going. Bright indirect light, occasional baking soda water, and patience. This is how a single banana slice becomes a living plant. Try this in your own room and show me your results. Follow along, because I'll be posting every growth update right here. See you in the next one.